Dear parents, this is a phonics lesson. Our learning objective in this lesson is to introduce the soft G sound. Okay, so now, hello FS2, let's start. Today we're going to learn about a new sound for this letter. What letter is this? Yes, very good. It's the letter G. Okay, what sound does the letter G make? It makes g, 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 g. Okay, so what are we learning today? We're learning another sound for the letter G. The other sound is called soft G. Do you remember soft C? When we say that soft C makes the sound S. Yes, also letter G has a soft sound, which is J, J, J. So letter G has two sounds, soft sound and hard sound. The soft sound is J, J, that we're learning about today. And the hard sound that you all know is G, G. So when does the letter G make the sound J? Letter G makes the sound J when it is followed by E, I, or Y. These three vowels, E, I, or Y. So let's take some examples of words that have the soft G sound. There we go. Okay, here's G followed by E. So now letter G sounds J, J. Why? Because it is followed by E. So now it's a soft G, J. Okay, as in, what's this? Vegetable, vegetable. Here letter G followed by E. So it makes the sound J, J. Vegetable. What else? What's this? Yes, it's an orange. Orange. Where's letter G? Yes, I can see it here. And it is followed by E. So when it's followed by E, it is a soft G. Sounds like J, J. So orange. Here, letter G followed by I. So it's also a soft G. And we said that soft G makes the sound. Remember? Very good. J, J. It's not G because it is followed by I. So J, J. As in magic. Magic. Where's letter G? J, magic. So why is it? Why does it make the J sound? Because it is followed by I. So it's soft G. What's this? Yes, it's a giraffe. Giraffe. The beginning sound here is J. Why J? Because it is followed by I. So now it's a soft G. J. Giraffe. Also we said that when it's followed by Y, it makes the sound J, J, as in the word gym, gym. Here, letter G followed by Y, so it is a soft G sound. Now FS2, do you remember the sister C story? Cece and Coco? Now, I'm going to share with you a story for the brothers G. The brother G. Okay, these two brothers like what letter? Letter G. I can see their names on their clothes. Okay, so let's see who likes the soft G and who likes the hard G. Okay. George and Greg. So George and Greg are their names. George, George, and Greg. Here's Greg. Okay, so what do you think? Who likes the soft G sound, J, and who likes the hard G sound, G? George. Likes the soft G or the hard G? George. Yes, George likes the soft G. And how about Greg? Greg. Greg likes the hard G. G. Okay, so George and Greg are brothers. They both like the letter G. George likes the soft G. G, I do, says George. Greg likes the hard G. Gosh, yes, says Greg. Okay, so what do we have here? We have, what's this? Orange and grapes. Who likes orange? Orange. George likes oranges. Greg likes grapes. Okay, what's this? A giraffe. And there is a gorilla. Who likes the giraffe and who likes the gorilla? I think you know now. George likes giraffes. Greg likes gorillas. George likes giants. Greg likes goblins. George likes gingerbread. Greg likes cookies. George likes hair gel. George likes hair gel. So, gel. Gel here, letter G followed by E, so it is a soft G. Gel. Gel. Greg likes hair goop. Hair goop. So, goop. It's a hard G. G. Goop. George likes gems. Greg likes gold. So yes, gems and gold. Your gems followed by E, so it's a J. Gold followed by O, so it's not a soft G, it is hard G. Gold. They both look gorgeous. Okay, so gorgeous. Here, this word actually has the two G sounds. The soft G, J, and the hard G, G. Gorgeous. So the first letter here is G. Is it a soft G or a hard G? You tell me. G, G. Yes, very good. It is hard. G. Gorgeous. And the other G here in the middle is followed by E. So it is a soft G. So gorgeous. Okay, so we both look gorgeous, just like FS2.